Today I'm going to be doing this simple bad witch set, and I'm just going to show you guys some of the inspiration pictures I found from all over the internet. And then these GAOY nail colors, I would say they're kind of like jelly nudes. They are super cute. I ended up using that middle color right there. I believe that's 1318. But I did 2 coats of each, and I just kind of wanted to show you these colors because I thought they were really pretty and they're really affordable on Amazon. I'll link it all below. And again, I'm using that middle one and we're going to make it matte. So let's get right into it. Since I can't actually look at my phone while I'm filming, I draw out the inspiration picture so I can kind of look at it on the side, and it's actually like super helpful. And actually guys, I kind of have like a spooky story. Maybe I'll turn this into like a mini story time where I think I saw a ghost. I don't know, but I'll tell you guys that in a bit. Right now, I'm just gonna let you kind of watch the beginning of this video while I kind of make the outline. There's a lot of steps that I did in this, and there'll be some breaks in this video while I'm curing because I pretty much cured after every single step that I did to make sure I did not get any smears on this one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get into my spooky story because this is pretty much just watching me draw things out. So I was about 15 or 16, and basically I would go over to my friend's house, and in her basement she had a nanny, right? So it was a live-in nanny, and when the nanny was living there, she had like her own room kind of in the corner of the basement. There's no windows in the basement at all. So there's this little room and then the rest of the basement. Basically, I went over to my friend's house. This was during the day, but she was not supposed, I don't know if she was grounded, but she was not supposed to have friends over. So her mom came home. The nanny wasn't there, and she's like, go hide in the nanny's room, like go through the door because no one's gonna go in there. So I went in the room and I'm just waiting. I'm kind of like listening to hear if someone's coming downstairs. It was like a really stressful situation. But anyway, there were some lights on in the room, but again, there is no windows to create a shadow. And I kid you not, I'm looking at the white wall and a woman figure walks across the wall. I don't know, like till this day, I've barely told anyone this story because it's just like weird. It's not like in the movies where you see a ghost or something strange and you scream. I looked at it and I'm like, did I really see that? But you guys, I know I did. I don't know. That was really crazy. And I told my friend, and then she told me like this story about her nanny, and like one of them had passed away. I don't know, but it was just a lot. And I was thinking of that while I was making these nails, and I was like, maybe I can do a little spooky story. And I couldn't really think of any because I don't consider this a spooky story. It was just so weird. And the fact that it could have been a ghost, I think just really went well with like the Halloween and spooky theme. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that. But everything's coming along well with the nails. I'm doing the little spider. I thought that inspo pic that I showed with the little rhinestone spider was so cute, so I definitely wanted to do that on this nail. You guys, let me know if you like the story times or more of the chit chat during these videos. I know when I watch nail videos, I appreciate it, but let me know in the comments below if you prefer just like the music and less talking. If you made it this far in the video, I want to say I am super thankful that you are watching. This is one of my favorite hobbies. I absolutely love doing nails. I literally sit here after work. I'm always looking at inspiration and thinking of designs I want to do and buying new nail art, and it's just so much fun. So when you guys enjoy these videos and like and subscribe and comment, I really appreciate it. So thank you a bunch. Okay, so now I'm going in with the white, also by Markartt gel polish, and I'm just doing all the little designs here, and I think this really made a difference and adds like a realistic aspect, especially to the cauldron. It made it look really nice. Here I'm just outlining where I wanted the spider to be, but of course the actual body that I drew, that's just going to be the 2 different size rhinestones. I had a bunch of different sizes for my white or clear rhinestones, but not for the black, unfortunately. And now this is the matte top coat by Modelones. Okay, so this is almost the longest part here. I'm using the Markartt rhinestone glue to attach my rhinestones, and I'm actually using the back of this beetle brush to like grip onto each rhinestone. What I did, I actually put some top coat on the end of this, and that's how I'm getting them to stick. But I absolutely love rhinestones, so this was a bunch of fun. I did want to add that this rhinestone glue, it cures and hardens or gets it to stick together, so you can continue moving things around until you actually put it under the lamp, which I thought was really great since I had a few different nails to do. So you guys may be able to see, but on this nail here with the scream face, there was a little wrinkly part. So honestly, I'm trying to put like some rhinestones there to kind of make that less noticeable. And now I'm doing the spider part. I don't know why. This was like my favorite part and what I was like looking forward to for doing these nails. And I know since it's clear, it's kind of hard to see in the pictures, but it is so adorable. I used the bigger size rhinestone for like the butt of the spider, and then the head is the little, the smaller size rhinestone. This actually makes me think, I just visited my friend and she has a spider as a pet. It's a little tiny jumping spider. So she might like to do a design like this. Okay, so this is what they look like. I think these are so cute. I absolutely love the nude with the matte over it. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. These were too good. Thank you guys again for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.